Alright guys, well Miguel says he's going to start working on the van today, putting it back together, so let's go see if he's here.
Vamos a chambear hoy que debes de ir,
Yeah?
hoy debes de partir.
Who? Tú? Me?
Part to time today.
Oh?
Ya.
Okay.
Vamos a chambear.
Okay. Pues bien. Vámonos de Chetumal para mí.
¿Cómo?
Uh-huh. Well, if the van is listo hoy,
Hoy debe de quedar, sí.
vámonos de Chetumal.
Claro.
Mhm.
¿Vas a Chetumal?
Por la noche,
En la noche.
sí, comprar en Sam's Club.
Ah, ok.
Yeah.
¿Y de Chetumal, where are you going?
Sam's Club, para comida para perros.
Ajá, pero de Chetumal a other city o Belice o...
Oh, yeah, en Belize.
Ah, ok.
Pero comida para perros
Comida
en Sam's Club es muy bien, más barato.
¿En serio?
Sí, ajá.
Sí, órale.
Ok, cool.
Vamos, está abierto. Open. ¿Te van?
Oh, ok. Well, he started working, so we'll see how this goes. He promised us that we could leave today.
Holy crow, he's got the heads back on. Maybe there's hope we will leave today.
See.
So a couple hours later, he's even got more progress. I think it's might be the end of the day. And if it is the end of the day, we're going to stay the night and head off in the morning.
Yeah?
¿Quiere entrar? La madre que le parió, dijo la viejita. Falta una polea, una polea tensora. El soporte. ¿Dónde está el soporte?
Soporte por...
Ya me acordé. Del otro lado, es la misma, de aquel lado, ¿no?
So now it's 6 o'clock in the evening. He's getting a lot closer, but we're definitely not leaving today. We'll be leaving tomorrow.
Well guys, we're gonna be here another night. He's not quite done. He's very close. I think by the end of the day, we're gonna get it started. But it's already getting late. It's gonna be dark soon. So we'll spend one more night and then continue our journey. Hopefully. Inshallah. Tal vez. Maybe.